This is everything you need to know to pave over existing concrete. Hey, my name is Greg. Your concrete may be looking tired, or you might be after a more modern look. No need to rip it up. Why not pave over it? Let's get into it. First, check that the concrete is smooth and free of large cracks or loose pieces of concrete. Also check that the paver you're using isn't any higher than doorways or existing steps. To ensure your pavers last a long time, you want to select one for the right area. If it gets a lot of sun, then choose one that is cool under your feet. If it's a pool area, then it needs to be non-slip. I've chosen this natural stone paver that is suitable for this area that gets a lot of foot traffic. Next, you'll need to clean the concrete to get rid of any dirt. Once it's dry, you'll need to prime your concrete. Now for some Tetris. Get to work laying down your pavers in the pattern that you want. Some of the pavers on the edges will need to be cut to fit in. To cut your pavers, make sure you're using a tile cutter that can do wet cuts and set it up on a flat surface. In the pattern you've worked out, go ahead and use the tile adhesive to stick the pavers down. Once the pavers are laid and dried, you can add your grout. Once you're done, use your sponge to wipe off the excess grout. Depending on the type of paver you've chosen, you may or may not need to seal them when you're done. And there you have it, a modern paved patio. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more handy tips and tricks.